Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekleva. Now we are going to do the first 3 problems in exercise 2 from the chapter perimeter, area and volume. Okay. Here this is the formula to find the area of the rectangle and area of the square. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. Length of the square is equal to side into side square units. To find the area of the rectangle, we have to multiply the length and breadth of the given rectangle. To find the area of the square, you have to multiply side into side, side of the square, okay, square units. These are the two formula to find the area of the rectangle and square. By using these two, we are going to do the problems. Let us see the first one. Find the area by using the formula. Okay. Here length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. What is the shape is given? The shape is rectangle. We are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So, length is equal to 4 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. Now, we are going to find the area of the rectangle. What is the formula? Length into breadth square units. Here length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. 4 2s are 8 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. So 8 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Is it clear, children? This is the formula to find the area of the rectangle, length into breadth square units. Then the second one, here also this is a rectangle shape. Length is equal to 2 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. First we have to write the formula. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth square units. Here length is equal to 2 centimeter into breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. First we have to multiply the numbers. 2 5s are 10 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Then next question. Here see the picture. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. The sides are equal. So this is the square. We are going to find the area of the square. Side is equal to 3 centimeter. The side of the square is given. Now we are going to find the area of the square. Is equal to what is the formula? Side into side square units. Okay, side 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 3 3s are 9 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. So, the area of the square is equal to 9 centimeter square. Okay. The next one, here also this is a square, we are going to find the area. So, side is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Area of a square is equal to side into side square units. Here we can write a side into side or S into side square units. Both are same only. Here we are representing side. We can write a side into side also. So, side is equal to 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 2 2s are 4 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. So, the area of the square is equal to 4 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? By using the formula to find the area of the rectangle, length into breadth square units. To find the area of the square, side into side square units. Okay. Here find the area of the rectangles with the following measurements. Here picture is not given, they are giving the length and breadth. By using this, we are going to find the area of the rectangles. Okay. So, area of the rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth square units. So, length is equal to 12 centimeter into breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. First we have to multiply the numbers. 12 into 4. 12 fours are 48. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So, 48 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Is it clear, children? The next one, here we are having a decimal number, 8.4 centimeter length and breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. So, first we have to write the formula. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. Length is equal to 8.4 centimeter into breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. While multiplying a decimal number, we have to consider as a whole number. So we have to take as 84 into 4. 4 fours are 16, 6 here 1 carry over, 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Now we got 336. Here we are having one decimal place. So in answer also we need one decimal place. So from the last, before one digit we have to keep the decimal point. So the number will become 33.6. Then centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. So area of the rectangle is equal to 33.6 centimeter square. Okay. The next one, find the area of the squares with the following length of sides. Side of the squares are given. We are going to find the area of the squares. Okay. So here side is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the formula to find the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to side into side square units. So side is equal to 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 5 5s are 25. That is 25 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So this is the area of the square. 25 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? The next one, 2.5 centimeter. Here we are having a decimal number. So here side is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So area of the square is equal to what is the formula? Side into side square units. So here 2.5 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to multiply the decimal numbers. While multiplying the numbers, we can consider as a whole number. So 25 into 25. Here 5 5s are 25, 5 here 2 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Then we have to leave the ones place, 5 2s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Now we have to add these two numbers. Here 5, 2, 6, 625. Here how many decimal places are there? Here 1, here 1. Totally 2 decimal places are there. So we need 2 decimal places in the answer. From the last, before 2 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Then the number will become 6.25 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So area of the square is equal to 6.25 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? The next one, 6.4 centimeter. Again we are having a decimal number. So here side is equal to 6.4 centimeter. First we have to write the formula. Area of the square is equal to side into side, square units. So side is equal to 6.4 centimeter into 6.4 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. So we have to take as a whole number, 64 into 64. Here 4 4s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry over, 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Now we have to leave the ones place. Again 6 4s are 24. 4 here, 2 carry over, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. Now we have to add the numbers. Here 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 8, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4096. Here in the given number, 2 decimal places are there. Here 1, totally 2 decimal places. So in answer we need 2 decimal places. So from the last, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Then the number will become 40.96. Then centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So 40.96 centimeter square. This is the area of the square. Area of the square is equal to 40.96 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? To find the area of the rectangle, we are using the formula length into breadth square units. To find the area of the square, we are using the formula side into side square units. It's clear? Hope you all understood. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.